Hey guys, I'm Kathy with The Grit and Polish, and today we're talking about shelf styling. So I think open shelves in kitchens are super practical because they allow you to quickly grab things that are super functional in a space like this, as well as let guests find those. So things like plates, bowls, cups, drinking glasses, I love to have those out on display. And bonus if you have pretty items to display. So a couple tips for open shelves. We've done this one below our cabinet, which I actually really love. It helps keep the shelf a little bit less dusty than some, but I think open shelves are really great on any wall where you don't want to have cabinets but want a little storage. So especially those corners that are awkward, or if you want a big punch, you can go ahead and put them like on your feature wall. I also really love the kind of the current trend, which is to have like one long shelf above your main run of countertop, which wouldn't work here because we have windows. So I've also seen cool open shelves in front of windows as well. So anyways, just a couple ideas there for you if you happen to be renovating the kitchen. So we are in our farmhouse kitchen. We renovated this space last year, and I love open shelves in kitchens so much that I asked my husband to build this one for me. I wanted to talk a little bit today about why I like open shelves in kitchens, walk you through how I style mine, and also give you a few tips to take home for your own shelves. Okay, tip number one, when you're thinking what to put on your shelves, I like to always have something functional. I like to have something old or something that brings that kind of nostalgic feel to the space, and I also like to have something green or something edible on there. Tip number two, play around with the scale and the shape of the things that you have on your shelf. So I've got some horizontal plates, I've got some curved bowls, I have things that are tall, things that are short, and I get a kind of a nice mix in there so that it feels interesting. Tip number three, I like to stick with 3 and maybe 4 different colors on a shelf. So here I've got white, I've got wood. Yes, I consider wood tones as a color. I've got black, and then there's a little bit of that kind of green and life in there as well. Tip number 4, open shelves are a great spot to display collections. So here, I have a bunch of bowls and a bunch of plates, which are kind of a collection, but really it would be awesome to see like a big line of Crocs there or a bunch of ironware that I had collected over time. But whatever it is you have that you collect and you want to show off, open shelves are a great place to put those. Tip number 5, I like to set it and then I like to forget it. So I put my shelf together and I get it kind of feeling good, and then I wait a couple days. I see how I'm using that shelf. I see if it's kind of meeting our needs, and I also see how I kind of like it, and I'll play with it a little bit. And then after a couple days, you come back and you kind of feel like, then you can really nail it. So give yourself a little bit of time to get that shelf right. So those are my 5 main tips for how I style shelves that hopefully you can use in your home as well. And if you have any comments or questions, leave them below. I love getting those and responding to those. And you can also hit subscribe if you want to see more videos from us. And we are at The Grit and Polish over on Instagram, and we're there a lot more frequently. So check us out over there. Thanks.